Kia ora everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn an affirmative Reremahi Whiti into a negative one using all the different tohuwa or pūmahi tense markers. I want to start us off with a very brief recap on the Reremahi Whiti sentence structure. With the Reremahi poro there is no object because when we use tūmahi poro the sentence makes sense on its own without any other information. But with Reremahi Whiti, the sentence needs additional information for it to make sense. In these sentences, the action words are tūmahi whiti, such as the one in this sentence, hanga, which means to build. The sentence structure of the Reremahi Whiti is the same as the Reremahi poro, with the tohuwa followed by the tūmahi and the kaimahi, but where the two sentence types are different is that where the Reremahi Whiti has an object, the thing that the action is being done to. Kei te hanga te manu translates into te reo Māori as the bird is building, so the object of the sentence is te kohanga, which is the nest. The joining word or pūhono for Reremahi Whiti is I. Kei te hanga te manu I te kohanga, the bird is building the nest. Kia tīmata tātou. Let's start. Here is the same sentence using the pūmahi kei te. We can negate it in the same way as we negated the Reremahi poro, starting with our negation word, kaore. We bring the kaimahi forward in the sentence to sit just after the negation word, te manu. We choose the negation partner for kei te, which is I te. And then we add the tūmahi hanga. Kaore te manu I te hanga, the bird is not building. Once that's done, we can add the pūhono and the taunga at the end of the sentence. And there they are. Kaore te manu I te hanga, I te kohanga, the bird is not building the nest. Next we have our e ana tense marker. We follow the same structure as the Reremahi poro, kaore te manu e hanga ana, kaore te manu e hanga ana, and then we add our pūhono and tauna at the end. Ka pai. Let's keep going. I is our simple past tense pūmahi or tohuwa. Let's negate it. Kaore te manu, the tohuwa tense partner for I, whakakahore tohuwa, is also I. Then we've got our tūmahi, pūhono and taunga. Kaore te manu I hanga I te kohanga, the bird didn't build the nest. Moving on, we've got our future tense marker, ka. Remembering that the negative tohuwa partner for ka is e, so let's negate it. Kaore. Bring the kaimahi forward. Kaore te manu, e, hanga. And then the pūhono and the taunga sit at the end of the sentence. All right, we're nearly there, team. Here is the last tense marker for this video, kua. Now we've got a couple of other words in this one. So the negative tohuwa for kua is kaore anō kia. So we're still going to start the sentence with kaore. And then we have this extra word in here, anō. That's the beginning of the negative tohuwa. Then we bring the kaimahi down. And then we add the other part of the tohuwa whakakahore, which is kia. Then the tūmahi And then, as with the other ones, right at the end, we have the pūhono and the taunga. Kaore anō te manu kia hanga, I te kōhanga. The bird hasn't built the nest. So there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. E mihi ana ki a koutou, kua mātakitaki mai. Thank you for watching. Kia ora.